Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thankful Thursday, guys. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you are having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We are back. I want to give you a quick update. I don't remember if I mentioned this or not, so I thought I'd do so this morning. Hang on one second. So real quick, guys. All right, smart desktop AI. We've been talking about it a lot because number one, this is a startup, so you may see a lot of things change or new additions or bugs in the system, all these type of things when you launch a brand new program. So if you haven't checked out my projects, go to www.coffeecoins.info. The link is in the description. Go check them out, see what I got going on. So of course, this is a startup. There will be bugs and issues along the way. I'm reading this from the Telegram group. All right. You must realize that. And you have two options. You can get frustrated about it, or you can roll with the punches and come along for the ride. Again, no one is making anyone promote this if they aren't comfortable doing so. Some will promote it and trust the process, and others will sit and wait until everything is perfect. In the end, both will get what they deserve. All right. So that's an update in the Telegram group. But I don't remember if I mentioned this to you guys or not. And I know I didn't yesterday. And I needed to come back and let you know, because there are people saying, hey, I'm trying to get enrolled. All right. They have put a halt to the new enrollments, guys. Okay. This is in the school community. All right. So they will be halting all new enrollment activity until they complete the verifying accounts and processing of the genealogy in the commissions. All right. We will be notified when all this is completed. Remember yesterday I talked to you about that they're going through all these accounts where there were a lot of hundreds of fake accounts submitted. They've got to clean all that up and try to get all the verified accounts paid out. All right. So they are not allowing new enrollments in at this time until they clean all this stuff up. All right. So that's what I wanted to come back and make sure I made you guys aware of. So you cannot sign up. It's more of a waiting list right now for new enrollees. All right. Let me look here and let's see when this was posted. So this is why you want to get in the SKOOL community for $2. All right, from your dashboard, click that link that says school, SKOOL, and get in the community, because this is where it actually is, this post. All right, this is not, I didn't see this in Telegram. Okay, so hang on one second here. All right, I'm kind of just sifting through this. Enrollments are currently locked until they get things smoothed out with the genealogy and commissions. So no one can enroll right now. All right, so that's the deal with that. Folks have been asking. No email notifications yet when it launches. Patience is a virtue. All right, so just wanted to come back and let you guys know that. All right, so we're waiting for all these accounts to get verified. Again, everybody that has joined me, I'm 2975. Let me go back to my dashboard. All right, you come to your dashboard right here. This is mine. I'm showing you where mine is, 2975. So when you come to your dashboard, you want to go, first of all, go ahead and get in school, guys. It's $2. Click right here. It says affiliate update, school group. Click there and pay your $2 to get in. Then there's also a link to the Telegram group. Then if you come down where it says update sponsor and payment information, when you get right here, it says sponsor code. You're going to put in, for me, 2975, first name, last name. you're going to put your name as it appears on your bank account. And this is the US, okay? Your name as it appears on your bank account, your routing number, your account number. And if you're outside the country, you're gonna get you a WISE account, WISE. Put your WISE email here, and then your name as it appears on that account, and click submit. Okay, because they are not going to pay out anybody if they do not have this bank information completed. That is considered a verified account because of all the fake accounts that were created. All right, but mainly I want to come back and talk to you about no new enrollments right now because of them trying to get all this stuff cleared up. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Just wanted you to know about that. All right, guys. So for the ones that's excited about getting in, just pack your patience and wait till they get all this stuff caught up, and then you can get started. Meanwhile, the rest of us, we are waiting on those dates. Remember, I told you on yesterday, they're going to run a cycle again on the 17th of August. All right, to try to make sure they get everybody's commissions paid for the verified accounts that can be verified. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. Go to my website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I've got going on. There we're securing the bag with digital assets and digital products. All right, so we've got something for everyone, from affiliate marketing. All right, we're heavy in affiliate marketing, and of course we've got a couple crypto programs, as well as crypto training, if you're interested in that as well. Free boot camp. So go to this website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.